Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you two best Shopify page builders that you can use currently for your e-commerce store on Shopify. And I will also show you some of their features as well. So as you can see, first is Pagefly Landing Page Builder. Now this one is free to install. Additional charges may apply again, but it's free to install. You can create custom pages and sections for your team. You can make your store look and work just like your ideas. As you can see, here are some of the things that you can do. Drag and drop to create and impress visitors with professional templates. Again, you don't need to know coding, right? So it's a no-code page and section editor. You have 100 plus free templates of all page types, which is great. You also have 100 plus free section templates, which is great as well. So as you can see, you can configure your elements, kind of like Elementor if you ever used it on WordPress. You can define data, right? Define look and feel effects with styling settings as well. As you can see, you have these boxes, and here you can change all of your settings. Now here, as you can see, you also have, it's really simple to use, right? You can, again, have a sales countdown timer, custom form, upsell and cross-sell product list, stylable shopping buttons, and a lot of different things, right? So here you can also do highlight, your product variants with option swatches. So you also have, variant options that you can use as well. So which is really cool. And then you have, other stuff like reviews, email marketing, upsell, subscriptions, appointment booking, and a lot of other customizations, as you can see right here. So this is definitely one of, I would say top three definitely page builders for Shopify. Again, this is from 2017, so it's a really great plugin to use, and yeah, it's free to install. But as you can see, paid plan is from $24 a month. And almost 7,000 reviews with 5 stars, which is definitely off the charts. Now, second on this list is called Gem Pages Landing Page Builder. Now, this also has a free plan available. If you scroll down, we can see that they also have a premium plans as well. So make sure to always scroll down to see that. They have 3,000 5-star reviews, which is great. Now, as you can see, this is how their editor looks like. Again, their editor has been used by, Taylor Swift, Moschino, and a lot of different big e-commerce brands. Now, this editor is a simple editor, as you can see. Also drag and drop, which is great. It's no code, which is also great for people that, hate to code. And as you can see, you can build your store and pages your way without the code. It has a really clean interface. Intuitive, no code, drag and drop editor. You can create any page type for any industry. You have wide selection of templates, which is always great to have because you can have advanced designs and animation effects as well. Now you also can create stunning on-brand experiences, as you can see right here. Fully responsive, mobile-ready pages, which is really important for e-commerce brands. And as you can see, you can create stunning professional page templates as well. Right here, you have a lot of templates that you can use. So this is basically the second plugin on this list. So these are two plugins that I recommend highly if you want to build a Shopify page with no code. Now, if you know any other plugins, comment down below because I would love to see what you're using for your Shopify store. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.